Hi viewers, let me introduce myself first. My name is Maria. I am a recruiter by a profession and started my travel vlog as my passion. Apart from my passion and profession, I try to help, coach and guide people around me. Since we all know the times are tough these days, the job market is going down, we should explore other avenues and try to upscale our skills. In this video, I will be sharing some great opportunities and ideas with you on how to earn money from home. This video will be beneficial for 4 people. 1. Who are currently working and still looking for an extra income. Number 2. Housewives who cannot go to work for 9 to 5 job. Number 3. People who lost their job because of some unfortunate reasons. Number 4. Millennials out there who are looking for a flexible career opportunities. So watch this video till the end to see all the great opportunities I have for you. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below to get notified for all my upcoming videos. Alright, so let's begin with number 1 option. Yes, network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing. The profession appeals to many people because they can be their own boss, set their own working hours and work towards their own success. The company which I highly recommend over here is Forever Living Products. Forever gives you the potential to earn a significant income stream. Plus, have time and freedom to live your life according to your dreams. Reasons why I'm recommending Forever Living Product. Number 1, it's a US-based organization in the market for last 41 years. Number 2, the company is operating in 160 countries across the world. Number 3, Forever Living Products offers the best incentive structures. Number 4, the product itself. All the products are made from the inner leaf of aloe vera gel.
Forever Living Products owns the world's largest plantation of aloe vera. You are not restricted to do network marketing in your country. You can expand your network and sales in 160 countries across the world.
If you're interested, click on the link below from the description to register yourself for free. I will be reaching out to you for a one-on-one free session and I'll give you more insights and details about this great opportunity. The second opportunity which I have is tutoring from home. Yes, you hear it right. You can earn money teaching from home. Here I would recommend a company named as VIP Kit, a company which allows you to teach English to students in China. You will be able to teach from wherever you are. All you need is a screen and a reliable Wi-Fi. And it is flexible in terms of working with your schedule because you open the time slot that works for you and you decide when it is more convenient for you to teach. They pay really well. You can make between $15 to $22 per hour.
So this is the URL vipk.com and it's easy to navigate. The website has all the information, how you can start teaching. There are 3 simple steps. Pick hours, get booked, 1 student, 1 curriculum, get paid and make a change. How do I get started? Just simply sign up, fill up the information and they will take 24 hours to come back to you with the feedback.
So it's tutoring English from home as per your schedule. So if you're interested, I'm sharing the link below in the description. All you need is a bachelor's degree, 2 years experience teaching kit, formally or informally, and eligibility to work in US and Canada. Number 3 opportunity which I would like to share with you is sharing your skills. Along with tutoring, you can share the skills you're good in. There's a website named Udemy. You can create an online video course and earn money by teaching people around the world.
This is the URL udemy.com. There are 50 million students worldwide available on this platform and there are 65 different languages in which the courses are available. There are 3 simple steps: plan your course, record your video and build your community. You can choose your course content from a wide range of categories: business, development, IT, design, marketing, lifestyle, health and fitness, and teaching and academics. For example, you choose maths and then you can choose your favorite subject, algebra, and you can create a content on that. Business, you can go to human resource, and recruiting, you can create content on recruiting. Sign up and become an instructor.
Number 4, Amazon affiliation. Amazon Affiliate or Amazon Associate Program is an affiliate market program. You can advertise products from Amazon on your site, blog, or on your social media account by creating links. When anyone clicks on that link, buys the product from Amazon, you will get the referral fee from that.
This is the URL affiliate.program.amazon.de. Click on login and create your ID. 3 simple steps: join, advertise, and earn. Click on that product's linking. Take the product links. For example, I'll search a product named as wooden block. You can pick any product which you would like to market. I'm choosing wooden block, and this is the one. This is coming under toys category, and this is the toy which I would like to sell. I click on the get link. There's an option of shorten URL with Amazon. This is the link which I'll click, right click, and then I'll copy. You can share this link on any of the platforms you're using for your marketing, and anybody who clicks on the links and buys the product, you will be getting the referral fee for that.
Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for my channel. And let me know in the comments below if you would like to have more details about this opportunity. Thanks for watching.